Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a light bulb pendulum animations in CapCut. This effect is super creative and really fun to try. So let's jump right in. First, just open CapCut and then create a new project like this. And then choose a plain background like this. Next, just add some text. You can type anything that you like. For example, I will type like this. And then just style the text however you want, just to make the background less empty. For example like this. Now just import the light bulb object. You can use the one I provided. Like this. Just screenshot it and add into your projects. Just import it as an overlay. Like this, and then go to remove background. And then chroma key, and then maybe like this. Adjust the size. Like this. And then use keyframes to animate the bulb swing left and right like a pendulum. But first just duplicate the clips. And then zoom in. And then position it like this. I will use it to guide the animations. Okay, like this, and then just delete the guide circle. And then okay, like this. And then next just export the clip. And then go back to your projects. And then just delete all elements except the black background. And then just export the video that you just exported. Like this. And then just go to max. And then choose circle. And then just position it exactly where the bulb is. Use keyframes so the marks follow the pendulum swings of the bulb. This will create a realistic glowing movement effect. And okay, like this, let's play the video. Okay, like this. And that's it, you have just made a super cool light bulb pendulum animations in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!